I am giving these away. All you have to do is just third time's the charm. Finally gonna upgrade my headlight bulbs from halogen to LED. This is my second set that I bought. The first one was from Oxbeam, and I completely messed up. So learn from my mistake. What I did was I ordered the LED bulbs through OEM spec. So OEM headlights take H9 and H11 bulbs for low beam and high beam. I shouldn't have gone off of that because I have aftermarket headlights, and this manufacturer uses H7 for the low beam. So sent those back, and then I just picked up these from Amazon. These are MZS. It's just another Amazon brand. Supposedly the pair puts out 12,000 lumens. What does that really mean or translate to brightness and depth and all that? I have no clue. I don't know much about LEDs, so I'm not gonna act like I do. I just picked these up. Link will be in the description if you guys want these. I'll put some more of its information on the screen also. Now, some people will say, oh, we'll just unscrew this, move this over, reach in and take it off. I can't. I have to take out the headlights for a specific reason, and I will tell you guys what that reason is when it comes down to it. So a quick montage of me disassembling the front end starts now. So, the reason why Alright, so to switch out the bulbs, I mean, it's fairly easy. My unit may be completely different than yours. I'm going off of my aftermarket headlights. Mine have a boot that you just take off. So this is going to be for the high beam. So it's just a boot, and then the bulb is right here. You could twist, pops off. So same steps of what you did to take out the bulb, and now it's locked in. And then just go ahead, tuck in those wires. By the way, sorry if there's like wind noise, it's pretty windy. So the main reason why I took out the headlight unit itself, just completely out, is for the low beam. On the passenger side, you have the windshield wiper fluid reservoir right here. Yeah, some people will say, oh, we'll just unbolt that and move it to the side so you can reach over, twist this, and take it off. I can do that, but on the driver's side, I also have the battery really close to it. And for my headlights, it's gonna be different if you're doing it on a stock OEM headlight. My headlights, because it's H7 connection, looks completely different. I am giving these away. All you have to do is just like, comment, and subscribe. But it's only if you have a 3rd gen Taco. I'm sorry, no hate for the 1st gen or 2nd gen, but that's because I already had these, and I was like, you know what? Issyauto sent me those. I'll put the link to those in the description as well. It's not just a regular twist off connection, that's it, no. So back here, to take it off, I need to loop it around. That lifts, and now I can take it out completely. And doing this with the headlight out is just so much easier than trying to reach over, possibly having your hand cramp up. That's not the business, especially with how there's like also like this little bracket right here on the truck. It would probably take way longer than that. And then obviously this, you just pop it off like that. So obviously H7 connection was completely different. this brand actually gives you extensions for this just in case you need them. But just because it provides it doesn't mean you need to use it. To install these, if you twist, it'll come off, and then you can set this to the side. Take this, just remember how it was, take this, place it in, notch landing right there in its spot, and then you just go ahead and close it back up so it secures it right in place. And now you could go ahead, take your H7 bulb, the way it'll go in, it's got these little nubs on the sides. That's where you know that it'll slide in, and then you just twist, and once it stops, you're done. And so now that you have your bulb in, you can just go ahead and take this connection and just push it down, and you're done. So now let's take it back over to the truck, slide it in, connect all of them back, all the plugs back, and then test them out, make sure that they work. Yeah, we'll be done. So let's go ahead and do that. Nothing is permanent right now. I'm gonna just go ahead and turn on the headlights and make sure the low beam works, the high beam works, and we'll do the same thing to the driver's side, and we'll be all done. All done, as you guys can tell. Put the front end back together. Literally 10mm bolts, that's it, or screws, whatever, that's it. And then just those little push pins, and you're set. So this is the reason why I took out the headlights completely out to do this, because the space that you have between the battery right here and to reach for the low beam is super tight, like that, like it's really tight back here. And yeah, I'm not trying to deal with that. Same thing on this side, on the passenger. You got the reservoir right here, and then if I can get around it, right back over here is the actual location for the low beam bolt. So the easiest way for me was to just take out the headlights themselves. Now, if you do that, be very careful not to scratch your headlights. These, where I scratched these, and I'll show you in a minute, I scratched both of them. I'm not mad about it because it's right where the side reflector is. I don't know if the camera will catch this little scratch, like right here, that scratch right there. But I'm not mad, like I said, because it goes right over the side reflector. Plus I was already planning on getting like these little tints that will black that out along, excuse me, along this side too. Scratched it right here, right there. You could probably buff that out, to be honest, but yeah, be very careful. I know some people will cash out $1,000 on some headlights. Be very careful with your headlights, don't scratch them. But that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Like I stated before, I will put the link in the description for these LED bulbs. So you're looking at $60 for a complete LED conversion for your low and high beam bulbs. How long should the giveaway last? Until August?
It's gonna be July, a month.
Until July?
Yeah.
Okay, until the end of July, so August 1st. So until August 1st, like, comment, subscribe, and you could win 3rd gen taco, double cab, of course, window visors. Come on, guys and girls, super easy. Like, comment, subscribe for a chance to win. But yeah, that's the video. Hope you guys, like I said, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Remember, guys, that's it. I'm out. It's hot. What do I say on my outros?
Live life.
Yeet. Live life.